guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag. I usually don't do a video, like a full-on video for my Ipsy Glam Bag. It just depends on the items that I get. And this time I got so excited that I had to show it to you guys. I wish it arrived sooner. I know this is an April Ipsy Glam Bag and it didn't arrive till yesterday. And so I finally had a chance to film it for you guys, but at least you'll be seeing it first thing in May. So with Ipsy, it's like $12.99 or $12.95 a month, and you get about 5 deluxe size or sample size products. And usually, actually most of the time, you get like at least one full size product, maybe a brush, a makeup brush. And everything that I've gotten from Ipsy so far has been very good, like good quality brushes, and they're so gentle and soft on the eyes. So I love it. This time, oh my gosh, we have a card. It says, "Force of nature, do what feels natural to you." Okay. Now they've changed up their card to where they have the product information, which is amazing. And the theme is Force of Nature for April. All right, here's the bag. It looks exactly like the card right there. Awesome. The bag is kind of like a linen material. It has like the Ipsy logo right there. And it's red and bright, perfect for April, I would say. And then some of the products are in here. The other items are actually outside of the bag because it's a little too big. We'll take out all of the stuff, so it's a surprise. And there's a nice Ipsy logo inside, really well made. I love to use these for travel. It's zipped up. You can put all your little trinkets in here. Sometimes I put my feminine products in here. Of course, your makeup could fit in here, but I need a bigger bag. But this is more than enough. Sometimes I put these in giveaways because it's just an amazing thing to have. And every now and then my makeup bags get so dirty and yucky that it's just time to throw away. Yeah, and I like the design. What do you guys think? First item that I saw actually wasn't inside the makeup bag is this large shader brush. And when they say large, I mean large. Like, okay, it's like almost the size of my eyes. It feels super soft. Like quality wise, no matter what brand I get from Ipsy, it's always been really good. Let's see what this one is. This is, from Beau. Beau Gachis large shader brush. This brush is a multitasker. It's $17 and we got the full size, of course. So this one is densely packed and you want to use this for cream products. So that's nice, and it's going to really lay down the eyeshadow. Love how you can kind of highlight your brow bone with this because it has a very pointed tip and it's pretty firm. So yeah, look at that. I might do it that way, maybe intensify the crease. So not bad, I like it. I wouldn't use it as an eyeshadow brush though because it's just way too big, way too big. So $17, I love that it's white, very nice. I love the color. The next item in the bag I'm not gonna open. This is by Nomad, Sydney Brothers highlighter. And even though this is like a nice deluxe size, this is all you need when it comes to highlighters. You don't really need a full size highlighter. It's kind of like a pinky gold. Pinky gold. I don't know if you can see that. We are going to put this in a giveaway. As you know, I am so close to 1,000 subscribers. I cannot wait to get there. So please help me out. Share this video. Of course, there's going to be a big giveaway coming up when I get to 1K. I'm thinking about maybe 3 winners for the giveaway. We'll see, we'll see. By the way, that highlighter is originally $27 full size, but we got a deluxe sample. Next item is the facial Radiance pads, which is by First Aid Beauty. Okay, you get 10 pads. Wow, this is a nice sample. And I'm actually gonna also put this in a giveaway. You can take this on your vacation. Wow. I've had a full-size bottle of this. It's a very gentle radiance pad. It's soaked in lactic acid and glycolic acid, so it helps with like brightening your skin. I'm gonna save this for you guys. Originally, a whole container of that, which contains like 100 pads, I believe, is like $36. So you got 10, which is not bad. The fourth item that I got is by Tatcha. Oh my gosh, I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe that I got the Tatcha water cream. You guys know this is expensive. Of course, this is a deluxe sample, but I've been meaning to try the Tatcha line, and it's just expensive to just try all of their different skincare products. But this one, I know it's perfect for oily skin. It's not like a very heavy moisturizer. So it's very gel-like, but a little bit thicker than gel. So just slightly thicker than gel. And I tried it today and it feels amazing on the skin. This would definitely be my winter moisturizer. The summer may be a little too thick for me, but today I have my Huda Beauty Luminous Matte Foundation and I have it on. So it's like a perfect combo because you need a very hydrated base when you use this foundation. In case you are curious about this Huda Beauty foundation, check out this video right here. I'll put it up in the cards as well. But I do a 10-day wear test and do an in-depth review of the foundation. So definitely check it out. A 50 ml bottle of this Tatcha water cream is originally $58. Of course, this is the deluxe sample. This one has 10 ml. This is already like a $15 bottle. Finally, I got to try Tatcha. I am so glad I got this in my Ipsy bag this month. And then the last item is the Su.Medic Age Control Facial Mask. The Vital Collagen Mask is soaked in collagen to help plump the skin. And then the Age Control Multi-Vita Mask has a blend of vitamins that nourish your skin from the inside out. So one is hydrating and then one is plumping. You know, collagen is one of my favorite skincare ingredients. If you see skincare that you'd like to try and it has collagen in it, definitely pick it up. It's one of those ingredients that kind of hold everything together. When you get older, as you age, your skin's elasticity is not that great, and so it really helps it plump up, lift everything up, and that's what we want because everything's sagging right now. Let me tell you, when I hit 40, everything is just going back to the ground. Just trying to learn to embrace it, pamper yourself. I got a set of 2. Obviously, these are full-size mask. They are one-time use. I love the packaging. These are $3.50 each, so around $7 for this set. Amazing. I have to say, this April Ipsy bag is one of the best bags I've ever had ever since I signed up for the Ipsy Glam Bag. I mean, I've always been happy with the Ipsy Glam Bag because you get so much for such an affordable price, but this time is really above and beyond. I mean, Tatcha eye cream, the mask, Radiance facial pads, like all these brands that I've used and known. And then the Nomad highlighter, which is perfect for summer. And of course, a full-size brush that I can always get a good use out of. Or maybe I'll put it in a giveaway. We'll see. But I don't know. I'm a sucker for brushes. Are you guys that way too? My husband always says that my brushes grow like mushrooms, and so there's a brush that does every step in my makeup. So they do get put to good use. Speaking of makeup, I really want to just highlight some products that I've used today. Of course, the Huda Beauty. And then on my eyes, a very simple bronze gold look. And I went with my Charlotte Tilbury quad. And I went with this eyeshadow right here. It's like gold, but nice and bright. I mean, this is a $58 quad that I got from my Fukubukuru bag. I'm glad I got to use this again. I forgot all about it, but wow, the quality can't be beat. As a primer today, I have my Glam Glow Super Mattifying 6 Acid Primer. Such a long name, but wow. I love this more than my Tatcha Silk Canvas. This hasn't had any reaction with any of my makeup. But the Tatcha one, I've noticed some peeling sometimes when I have this with all my other skincare. So, but the main difference I would say is that this is mattifying, while the Tatcha one is more of hydrating, but not really super hydrating to where you get dewy. It's still good for oily skin folks. On my lips today, I have the Becca lipstick in the color Rosewood. Looks like that, and look at this. Honestly, this is my first time trying a Becca lipstick. It's magnetized. I don't know why I haven't tried Becca lipstick. The only reason why I finally tried it is because they are closing out. This Rosewood is definitely my color. Like, I like rosy colors, but they have to have a tint of browniness to it. And then the nudist one that I got, which is more of a nude brown for me. So I got that too during their sale. The brand is closing, and so I wouldn't be surprised if you start seeing some more products going on sale. So I got 3 lipsticks, guys. One is gonna be for my 1K giveaway. So it's the Rosewood one, this color right here. And lastly, this was an add-on that I got from Ipsy with my Ipsy bag, the Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder. This is such a cute packaging. I wanna say this powder might be a little thick on me. I don't know, I'm having some intense drying here under the eye. So I probably wouldn't use it as an under eye powder, probably as an all over powder. This is what it looks like. It comes with a mirror, which is amazing. And it comes with a puff. And it has that sifter right there. So I don't know if you can see that. It's got a nice sifter. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. What do you think about my Ipsy Glam Bag this month? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxings here and there. So definitely stick around, join the family. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!